Hello, I'm Rebecca, and these are my teammates, Sam and Ben. We are the Galactic Telekinetics. Our project uses electrodes and an electroencephalogram to read brainwaves, which it then uses to control an Etch-A-Sketch. After reading the brainwaves, the electroencephalogram, also referred to as an EEG, transmits the information to a computer, which then tells the robot what to do. The robot then draws the appropriate image on the Etch-A-Sketch. Our project focuses on neuroscience through brain-computer interface technology using an EEG. The conduction of ions between neurons are read by the EEG, which detect the voltage changes on the scalp. Our project uses math in interpretation of electrode signals and other programming, and science in reading brainwaves. The origin of the EEG signal is from the volume conduction of ions between the neurons in the brain. The active electrodes detect the voltage changes on the scalp and act accordingly.
This box is the EEG. It has 4 electrodes, which are separated into 2 channels, and 1 driven right leg, which is essentially a ground. Within is an analog board, which takes the signals from the electrodes and filters and amplifies them to make them more usable, and a digital board which digitizes the information for sending to a computer. On the computer, software called OpenVibe acquires the signal, then processes it, presents it for visualization, and sends it through a virtual reality peripheral network to a C# program, which uses the MindSpalls library to control the robot using Bluetooth.
We faced many challenges while developing this project. Our first main challenge was when we were building the EEG. Eventually, we decided to purchase a pre-made EEG on account of our lack of equipment. Our next large challenge was when we decided to use C# as our programming language. Being relatively unfamiliar with C#, this was definitely a challenge. The technology that we use in this project is a variety of real-world applications such as neuroprosthetics, controllable planes, drones, and other devices. Products using this technology could be very marketable in the future. Considering that this is a fairly new technology, products ranging from controlling the Etch-A-Sketch to controlling a model plane to controlling computer actions could be implicated.
As you can see, Sam is wearing the electrodes, which are hooked up to the EEG. The data is sent from this OpenVibe program to the graph, which shows the data from the brainwaves. Using VRPN, Virtual Reality Peripheral Network, the data is then sent to the C# program. This is the data that the C# program is receiving.
Unfortunately, there is a slight communications glitch, and so to demonstrate the next part, we cannot use data from my brain, but instead manual input.
We would like to continue developing our project and hopefully be able to share it with some people in the future. Thank you very much for watching.